Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Success Step Word, who says if you dream it you can do it. So guys, we are back. Today we'll discuss about the format of reading test. So let's get started without wasting your precious time. So firstly we talk about the sections. Academic reading test holds 3 long sections or passages. These passages might be picked from books, journals, magazines and newspapers. So now we'll talk about the questions and timing. These 3 passages contain total 40 questions which you have to solve in 60 minutes, including the transfer time. Unlike the listening test, there is no additional time to transfer answer. This is the important point, that there is no additional time to transfer answer. So the applicants have to write them directly to their answer sheet. Clear? Next we talk about question types. There are several question types. Firstly, fill-ups, in which you have to give the answer in 1, 2 or 3 words as per the demand of question. After that, list of headings, in which one has to match the headings with appropriate paragraphs. Thereafter, sentence completion and summary completion, in which you have to fill the given sentence or summary with some words. Next is MCQs, means multiple choice question, in which you have to select one option out of 4. Subsequently, match the author, in which candidate has to match the given information with correct speaker. Next is information identification, means true, false, not given or yes, no, not given, in which you have to tell whether the given information is true, false or not given according to the passage. Clear? Next is match sentence ending. In this type, you need to complete the sentence by choosing best answer from a list of possible options. So these are some question types. Now turning to the checking part. Every correct answer receive 1 mark each, and scores out of 40 are then converted into the Ielts 9-band scale. Now there is a note for you. The predominant thing is that you have to read the given information extremely carefully. For an instance, how many words you can use in your answer. So these type of information you have to read extremely focusfully. Secondly, you need to read the question with full focus, as I earlier mentioned. So guys, this is enough for this video. If you want more tips, please comment in the comment section. In the next video, we'll discuss about the format of writing module. Till then, stay tuned with us and like, comment and share the video as much as you can. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.